In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel one item on the Temu app. Whether you've had a change of heart or simply ordered the wrong thing, canceling an item on Temu is straightforward. Let's walk through the process step by step, making it as easy and clear as possible. To begin, you'll want to open the Temu app on your device. If you don't already have the app installed, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have the app open, the next step is to log into your account. You'll need to enter your credentials, like your email and password, to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, Temu offers a simple password reset feature that can help you get back into your account quickly. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Orders and Account tab. Clicking on this will bring you a step closer to managing your orders. From here, head over to the Your Orders section. This is where you can view all the items you've recently purchased or ordered. Now, you'll need to select the specific order that contains the item you wish to cancel. Carefully scan through your list of orders and tap on the one that includes the item you no longer want. After you've selected the order, look for the option that says Cancel Items. Clicking on this will allow you to begin the cancellation process. With the Cancel Items page open, you'll see an option to select Cancel the Order. Even though the option says Cancel the Order, we're only interested in canceling a specific item from that order. So from here, go ahead and select the particular item you wish to cancel. After selecting the item, proceed to the next step. At this point, the app will ask you to choose your reason for the cancellation. You'll see a list of common cancellation reasons. Select the one that best describes why you're canceling the item. Providing an accurate reason not only helps in processing your request more efficiently, but also improves the service by giving feedback to the company. Finally, after you've selected the reason for cancellation, you'll need to confirm your decision. Ensure everything is as you expect and then hit Confirm Cancellation. At this moment, the app will process your cancellation request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the item has been successfully canceled. Keep an eye on your email for any further communication regarding your refund process. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to cancel one item on the Temu app. We hope this guide makes your shopping experience smoother. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more handy tips and guides.